This is Clinette solar rechargeable fan that comes with a solar panel and 2 bulbs. It also comes with a remote, so you can actually control it from wherever you are. You can start it using your remote, and it has up to 9 speed limit. That's number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, and thereabouts. And it also comes with a LED light. This is the LED light, and you can choose to increase it if that's not okay with you. It also comes with a charger, so you can choose to plug it if you don't want to charge it with the solar panel. These are the bulbs. You can actually rotate it with your remote by clicking the rotation button. Yeah.